Who you want to collaborate with now?
Dennis Brown, Reggae Bob Marley.
Dancehall reggae vibes. Keep it locked.
Yeah, people, so Vybz Kartel, I think about doing collaborations. This shot enough people, but Alkaline getting props. Right, they say that. Yeah, people, so Pamputae, I try for 13 years now. 13 years. Yeah, people, you don't know your boy, Grizzly Bear. I'm there to represent for Dancehall Reggae Vibes, I see. So watch you know. We got a whole little reasoning, you see me, I say, I don't know news, but we got chat about a little sit here. Because Cartel, I make you know, never do a collaboration yet. Zin, never do a collaboration yet. And you don't know, on the music, the world music views, you know what I mean? It's a great interview. Yes, with the artist. You know what I mean? Artists are saying they have the enemy and him in a rush to do no collab. And the persons who we would love to collab with is Bob Marley, Dennis Brown, and Gregory Isaac. So the interviewer turned to him and said, boy, I like people me I talk about, you know. So the artist go to say, you know, him in a rush. You see me and say, no rush.
Who you want to collaborate with now?
Like as artists,
Yeah. Wait, you have never collaborated with them. Not anybody you work with before.
I've never collaborated. Dennis Brown, Reggae Bob Marley.
I live in people, man, I talk about.
Because I tell you, saying I'm in a rush to collaborate with nobody.
And he also go to say, he was his only enemy. You know what I mean? And I guess him become, you know what I mean? Him at peace with him enemy, with himself.
But back then, the biggest enemy was myself. I learned to conquer myself and live good with myself. So, you know?
You know what I mean? At this time in life. So yeah, people, Vybz Kartel are share film views and never do a collaboration yet. And then I don't rush for the none.
What song from Alkaline would you say displays his lyricism for you?
12 p.m.
This is Brokout Podcast, Hot Skilly Bang, Onset, Zane, and it's like it shocked the whole place when Skilly Bang make them know, say, listen, Alkaline. Yeah. Alkaline our artist way. Bad, lyrically, vocally, verbally, a lyricist. So, him does make the people them know straightforward from an artist to the world. I make them know straight say. I used to listen to Alkaline too in my younger stages in the game. You know what I mean? So, Skilly Bang I give props where it is due. So the interview I go further to ask Skilly Bang, which song you like from the artist catalog? Zine, and Skilly Bang goes to say 12 p.m. and everybody know that song there. Everybody know 12 p.m. and that song there a hit song. You see me? Yeah. So Skilly Bang give his props. I don't know Skilly Bang out there do film thing already. You know what I mean? For the level him never come and go on easy. You don't know where they in a day. You know what I mean? Yeah. Cause the man they thing hotter than grabber. You see me and say hot.
He isn't only a lyrical artist, his versatility up there too. You see me I say so? I kind of give him that part there. I don't really about the lyrics alone. I kind of have a certain level of versatility which actually commends lyricism. I see me I say so.
Yeah, people, me nah go around. Vybz Kartel are the artist right now. From the artist drop, from the artist forward from incarceration and their road. Zin.
Gaza Nation, why pray? There, man. Nice shoulder, go and look, go and eat. How that? Active little daddy. People are who this. The great blood clot red boom.
TikTok, Instagram, everywhere. A cartel. And see them. And the song when him drop, him not see them. Him just has to see them. You know what I mean? Yeah. Remember artists say, you know, see them pregnant, but them a carry the belly. What a thing. What a thing. So the artists fling out a video show. The people say, listen, my voice in, you know. See me here in the booth. Start do the thing. You see me and say, yeah, at it. And the lyrics for the artist are spit. And on a normal thing the artist are say, if you listen good. You know Kartel already. A DJ Palmer, the teacher. The world boss. You hear me talk?
So me not understand, but 13 from 2011, how much years that? About 13 years that in a Pamputae.
Wrong. And like me not try. Me try.
So, but when you try, what them I say, who we need to talk to?
Come to the party. Me honestly want to go back home.
Immigration, Jamaica. We need to ask the people them.
With Vybz or something.
Huh?
No, me so when I go back home, seriously, me have to go a meet with Vybz try for find an officer or something.
Me I call her myself. I go call her myself because you can't continue like this. It's because 13 years.
Yeah, a lot of people don't know about the system in Jamaica when it comes to getting a visa and leaving this beautiful country called Jamaica. Zane and Spice, they are address a little situation prior to the fact that Pamputae share, you know what I mean, some knowledge with her, some information with her. Because I don't know how it is so difficult for these people who are artists, who are, you know what I mean, advocates of the culture. How is it so difficult for them to get a visa to leave this beautiful country to go to a next country to share the culture? It's kind of hard for me fathom, you know, because you work so hard. Them say America, you know what I mean, overseas, anywhere overseas, is an opportunity place where you can, you know what I mean, work and make a little piece of food and come back home and build up yourself and them thing there. Because when I really check forward back in the days, I saw grandfather and grandmother and auntie and uncle them used to do it. You know what I mean? Fly out and motor and them send on one barrel and sitting. So Spice, you know what I mean? I say right now, she gotta call up the people, them, you know? Yeah, she gotta call up the people them and chat to them because it need to fix. Because 13 years now, Pamputae a try and yeah, a joke thing. A joke thing. You see me I say people?
Say it's too difficult for people get US visa in a Jamaica. People want them look at opportunity and go away and come back make them money.
Me I tell you, man.
But the government need to come down on this because that also can help so many people in the country. Go make them look at money, come back home. Or there's so much opportunity where, you know, some people even will go buy things and come to Jamaica. Like, why it's so difficult to get one visa?
Yeah, people, so come look here. Nicholas new van flying from wherever he come from. Then drop down a town and I check in with the people and down there. And this is what one of the natives have to say. You know what I mean? And a couple topics, you know, that is trending in the world of lately. So, as you can see,
does the queen have a king?
Not at this moment.
No? What happened to your king?
Dump it, boy, them.
Why?
Dump it, choo-choo.
Juju?
Yeah.
What's that mean?
That means that the boy them not ready yet. Them not have no style, no flavor.
What do they need? They need money or what?
No, when the boy them see a girl like me, progressive,
Yeah.
come around and see, oh, you're motivated. Them draw back, some draw back too. Them can't swing by myself, so boy swing by themselves. Can't deal with that boy when I progress me.
A queen knows what she wants.
That is it, madam.
Me no want no boy that going like, oh well, we are one party, we play reggae. Reggae play in all time. You have the warm-up reggae and you have the storm-up reggae. Nobody going like reggae and a little warm-up boogie and a play like that. Who are reggae playing at the middle of the art of the juggling too. I eat at the art of the people. It's the poor music.
yeah, people, so you know when the general talk, when Mr. Jamaica talk, them man talk with declaration. Them man talk with power and dominance. Because them man articulate what him have to say before him even say it. And while he's saying it, him within himself, and make sure say it come across in a distinctive manner where every individual can understand it. So, this is Bounty, the killer. the grown Godzilla, and make all DJ, all dancehall, this jockey, all this jockey where they in Jamaica, every crevice, every corner, go warm up on the family. You hear that? Go warm up on the family. If you not play reggae music in the middle of dancehall, in the middle of the party, in the middle of the session, go warm up your family. See? Because reggae music and no warm up music. This is what the artists and the people know. Reggae music and no warm up music where you play when nobody in there at the party and nobody not there. Zin, and in the middle of dancehall, you fling some different type of music over some place where not big like reggae music. So, Bounty, I make a note straightforward. Say, listen to me now. I storm up music, reggae music, and no warm up music. Zin, so no need to know what I go on with within the music. I wanna do when I play the music. Zin, yeah man. Me I tell you, it's like in the over one place on one part where they must celebrate. You know what I mean? Some movements with bugle. You don't know bugle is a youth where, you know what I mean, transition to Rastafari and I trad. The trad. And I do the work and I put in the work. And you know, props is due to it. Props is due. So this is the grown Godzilla, Bounty Killa, Mr. Jamaica.
I didn't listen to dancehall music growing up. It was forbidden in my household.
So what did you listen to?
Michael Jackson.
Wow.
Whitney Houston, Beyonce, the Rihanna, the Nicki Minaj. I started listening to dancehall music when I got to high school.
If you're born in the 80s, early 90s, you know about that something here. Where Shengyang talk about. Yeah man, certain music can't play in the household. Some people don't know about cassette player and the CD Walkman them with the anti-shock. Some people know about them smart headphone and them modern headphone and they don't know about the wire headphone them. I like a free one them I used to get from the ear line. Back in the days when I could have stand up on the little waving part there out there. Ear Jamaica out there so and wave to your auntie and thing. You know, certain shot come back Irish Spring and two Bobby Sacks up in and one t-shirt. Yeah. Them thing there are different thing. The whole thing change. You know what I mean? It's a different game back in the days. You can't play certain music in the house. Michael Jackson. Yeah man. Beat it. If you not play that music, then you're gonna get beaten. Yeah man. You're gonna get a whooping. You know your mother go whoop. Yeah. You know what I mean? The music call it Booga Yaga. No Booga Yaga can't play in here. So, if you did born in one of them family there, where, you know what I mean, they deal with Booga Yaga, member, Celine Dion in a year's string. Yeah, man. And some Tony Braxton. Yeah, man. Come on, no, man. Come on, no, man. Yeah. And if you're going like you want to ramp around, yeah, man, hold one of them, hold a one day. You know what I mean? Like CD. You can't stay there. I want there, man. So, who can relate? Relate. But this is where Shenyang I make you know. Never listen to dancehall music until high school. You hear that?